Hi guys, welcome once again to another episode of Tech the Things. Now today in the program I'll be changing the oil on a 2012 Nissan Lafesta. Now if you're new to the program, just remember to subscribe, and if you want the latest videos, click the bell. So I've just put it on the ramp and I've opened the hood. I'm gonna check under it now, which is where I'm at now. As you realize, both front wheels are on the hood. And I'm gonna check for the bung, which is a bolt. It should be here. That's it right there in front of me. I think it's a 17 bolt. And that's the white thing right there is the filter. So I got the 17 thing. Now I'm gonna use the wrench to get it off. Didn't I already loosen it, so this is just the handiwork coming in right there, getting it loosened. Yes, rooster. So it's loose now, so I'm using that container to put under it. So a lot of makeshift operation is being done here, and I've had all my safety equipment, so you have to pardon me on that. Normally I should have a pair of gloves and glass, but I don't. But I've already catched the wheel so it cannot run back. And here it is now. Normally they say you should change the oil every 6 months. There we go. So allow it to leak out. So I have a lot of roosters around me, and also hens, chickens. Yep. So there I have to adjust the container so that the oil don't leak out or spill over in the grass. There it is. Now this one uses the 1040 full synthetic oil. So I've opened that to ensure anything that is left will leak out through the air pocket. And now I'm gonna remove the filter under the bottom. There it is. Testing if my hand can pull it, which really and truly no. I'm gonna get the filter wrench, and this is a very tight spot, so I'm trying to see if the wrench can do it without have to pulling anything, and it does. So there it is, a couple spins. Once you get a couple spins, then you just use your hand to do the trick. So I've gotten loose now. So just to open it, and also you put the container under it because it contains oil as well, and you don't want to have it spill all over the place. Normally when you get the oil removed from there it is there. You get the oil removed, you want to put it in a container as well. You don't want to just throw it around. I want to dispose of it properly. So once it loosens, you allow it to leak out whatever oil is left that needs to be leaked out, and then you just use your hand and finish removing the filter. Here it is, and that's why I show you that more oil is left. Oil is always left in the filter. So it's all done now, so I'm gonna replace it. So this is the Valvoline and it's VO25. That's the original one. So I got one from the store which is a different brand. However, it's the same type of filter. What you do, you throw oil in the filter and rub it around the gasket. Just like that. You don't want to fill it up too much. So here it is. You find the spot. Spin it, and you know normally it's clockwise to tighten, anti-clockwise you use to slacken. So once you get a grip of it, you use the wrench to tighten it a little bit more. So I just use my hand there to get it tightened. Then I'm going to just use the wrench to give it additional tightening. But you don't want to tighten it too much. So when you want to get it removed, it cannot be removed. Right, once your hand can tighten it, that should be good enough. Now I'm gonna put back that bolt in the area that it's supposed to go. Make sure that the oil does not leak out when you put it in. And always remember, clockwise you use to tighten. That is a power handle bar there. So once that is done, you get your funnel and you pour your oil back in the engine. And once it's poured in, you want to make sure that you get the vehicle on a flat surface and use the dipstick to ensure that the right measurement is there in the oil. You don't want to full it. You full the engine too much, and ensure you don't want to get it below what it's supposed to be. So this takes us to the end of changing the oil in the engine. So if you do enjoy, please let me know. So from Techly Things, peace out.